In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Beehiiv subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Before we start, it's important to understand why you might want to cancel your Beehiiv subscription. Perhaps your needs are changing, you're looking to reduce your expenses, or you've decided to try a different service. Whatever your reason, the cancellation process is quite straightforward. To get started, you need to log into your Beehiiv account. You'll want to navigate to the home page and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, it's time to access your account settings. Look for either your profile icon or a settings option in the menu. This usually appears at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in your account settings, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. You should see a section labeled Subscription or Billing. This section is where you will find details related to your current subscription plan. Now, find the option that says Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription. It's usually clearly labeled, so you shouldn't have too much trouble locating it. When you click on this option, a new screen will appear where you will be presented with information regarding your subscription, like your current plan, next billing date, and the total amount you pay. At this point, you may be prompted to provide feedback on your experience with Beehiiv. While this step is usually optional, it could help the company understand why you're choosing to cancel. Feel free to share your thoughts if you wish, but if you're just looking to cancel quickly, you can usually skip this part. Once you've reviewed everything and are ready to proceed, look for the button that says Cancel Subscription or something similar. Clicking this will typically bring up a confirmation window, prompting you to verify that you really want to go through with it. Take a deep breath and click Yes or Confirm to finalize the cancellation. After you confirm, you should receive a notification or message indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. It's wise to check your email for a confirmation message as well, as this serves as a record of your cancellation. If you don't see one right away, it might be worth checking your spam or junk folder, just in case. Sometimes, confirmation emails can get misplaced among other messages. If you do not receive a confirmation after a day or so, consider reaching out to Beehiiv's customer support team just to be sure that everything is processed correctly. Lastly, keep in mind that any remaining balance on your account may be prorated, depending on their billing policy. It's a good practice to review their terms so that you understand what to expect regarding any refunds or outstanding amounts. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Beehiiv subscription. Remember that cancellation doesn't always mean you're losing access right away. Depending on your plan, you may still retain access until the end of your current billing cycle. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're interested in more content like this, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn or if you have any questions about the cancellation process.